Andrei Lazarov. 10% talent. 20% naporna работа. I 70% voda. Pelisterka. 100% život.
Cosa ha cambiado en 6 meses después del partido de Olimpiadi, donde Croacia dominó contra Dinamarca? Un partido totalmente distinto hoy.
Y sí, está claro que en Juegos Olímpicos hemos hecho mal casi todo el torneo y bueno, Croacia desde mi punto de vista ha sido el mejor equipo en olímpico, pero han perdido contra Francia un poco, bueno, no ha sido el mejor equipo que ha ganado este partido.
¿Dinamarca ha cambiado chip psicológico o es físico?
Bueno, físico puede ser, pero también hemos jugado con muchos jugadores todo este torneo, cambiamos mucho y al final tenemos el esfuerzo para jugar muy bien en 60 minutos y Croacia ha faltado un poco aire al final del partido.
What changed in 6 months after a disaster match against Croatia at the Olympics Games today, Handball Fantasy?
Yeah, we changed our game. I think we weren't playing good in London, the Olympic. We had very big problems. I don't know why, but we tried to solve the problems in this training days we had before the tournament, and I think that we are playing very, very good handball. Today our defense were perfect. I think that's the reason why Croatia had so many problems making the goals.
You've been in the last 2-3 games against Spain, but this Sunday, for the first time, you play a decisive game against the Spain here in Spain, in Barcelona. Can change something? Or?
Yeah, of course. It's going to be very difficult. They're playing in Barcelona, and 20,000 in this arena cheering for them. But I think we can do it again. I think we can beat Spain, and that's what we're going to do on Sunday.